Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekenekwa m unu. Unu n'anya, unu ga-afụ ahịfịa ọgwụ dị iche iche nke unu na-afụ na this bowl. Ọ ihe ị na-afụ n'aka onwe gị. You can get this within the comfort of your home. If you want to detoxify your body, or you are having indigestion, or you are having health related issues such as heart health, na ịchọrọ inyelu your liver aka, your kidney, maọbụ na ị na-enwe high cholesterol, maọbụ na ịchọrọ ikpocha ime arụ gị, please go and get me these items. Number 1 is bitter leaf known as unupu. Number 2 is senti leaf known as nchianwụ. Number 3 is utazi. If you know the name of utazi in English language, please drop it on the comment section. Then number 4 is ginger. Number 5 is garlic. Once you gather this, please wash it with the salt. Then grind it, or you can smash it. On this note, we are going to do the practical. If you haven't watched the first episode, which I dropped last night, please endeavor to do so. Go and watch the video so that you can follow up to this one, because we are here to save humanity. I learned this from my grandma wealth. Join me on the practical aspect of it now. So you can see that we have washed our bitter leaf, our senti leaf, and also the utazi. Then this is our ginger and garlic. So we grind it. Just 2 pieces of ginger or garlic, depend. Like this, I'm just using the small ginger for it. Depend how you want to prepare it. Then if you want to preserve it, you can as well use coconut water instead of normal water, okay? Then you are about to smash it. If you have children, you can prepare this to serve your children. In fact, your household. At least, this can help you to save a lot of money by going to hospital. This is a manual one and doing local one. You can as well put it on your blender and crush it, okay? So we are done. This is our fiber. You can see it. This is our fiber. Okay. Then, while this is our liquid, our main cocoa herbs, herbal liquid, okay. Then we shifter it. You can see it here. Ayazaya. Show them. Make sure that you shifter it. Wow. You can see it. We transfer it in our glass tumbler. You will take it 1 glass tumbler, see it, as an adult. Then, if na children, you can divide the glass tumbler, half glass tumbler. What are the health benefits? But first of all, let me drink it. Bitter. To be frank with you, you will drink it first thing in the morning time and last thing in the evening. My brother, you see that your body, most especially you are eating sugary something. Or as a man, you notice that you know they perform very well. Do this. Then, as a woman, you want to justify your body, maybe after your period. Then take this. Okay? Then it helps for heart, liver. Okay, if you have a heart congestion, then do so. And also high cholesterol, irregular blood sugar. I have a lot of many benefits you can derive from this liquid. Please do this. In fact, it's very compulsory that you will do this. If you don't want to visit hospital, do this traditional remedy. Serve your household. I can assure you, by the next day, you will come and testify in the comment section. Remember that aharando back onyiro edie mboshio ya kama carry ogwe. Go and try this and come back with your testimony. I am still the man Maazi-UC. Ibobi passing. Bye for now.